what's up? Don't pop wheelies in your cars. This is the result.
All right, we're here at M1 Garage. We have Rob Zanova up on the hoist, getting ready to tear it apart. This is my buddy Bob Miller. He works Skinny Kid Race Cars. Skinny Kid Race Cars built this car. Bob's an expert with a line of body panels and hopefully trying to straighten out what happens when you do a big wheelie. This we had down in Florida in December, and Justin at Walsh Motorsports, he's the tuner for it. So we had like one test pass or one qualifying pass, and then it was elimination. So we didn't get any time on the car. We had a cracked intercooler we had to get welded up. So we had minor issues that prevented us from doing the little bit of testing we could have done. And I getting ready to put the wheelie bars on the car. Justin's like, why are you putting the wheelie bars on the car? And he said, there's no way this car's gonna do a wheelie. So sure enough, we go up, first round of eliminations. Justin put a little hotter tune-up in it and came up, stood it up on the back bumper. So came down pretty hard. Turbo car is kind of hard to pedal out of a wheelie. So also that was my first time ever standing one up on the back bumper. So I guess I can cross that off the list that I've been on the back bumper before. So we're gonna pull the front end apart. We're gonna try and get everything matched up, and then we think core support's bent. And I mean, the car still runs and drives fine. I've probably put 50 miles on it since the accident. But the steering's a little off, the panels are a little off, the fit and finish is off. So we just wanna try and get all that straightened out. A little bit about the car. Rob Limenstahl had the car built at Skinny Kid. Like I said, it's got a Billy Briggs LS in it. Probably, I think it's about 2,800 horse. It's got twin 88s on it, which is way too much turbo for the setup. But I mean, the headers, everything's built for the big turbos like that. So it'd be a pain to downsize and change that, because when you see the packaging of the whole thing, I mean, it's tight. There's not a lot of room up there. With this being an all steel body car, it is set up for like the drag week style events. It's got like I said, the twin turbo LS. It's got a Rousler 3-speed in it, gear bender overdrive. It's got a trailer hitch on the back. I converted it from big tires to radials. It was a big tire car when Rob had it, and then to get ready for the radial race, or have an excuse, I guess, to go to Florida and race the car in December, switched over to radials. Like the stance of the car a lot better on radials, and I think that the car is great. The fastest this car's been on big tires down in Florida a year ago was 712. Hopefully can solidly be in the 6s with the car on radials once we get it sorted out. So we're going to straighten the front end out, try and get everything to match back up again, and then hopefully get it out doing some testing soon. You guys will be able to see it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, there you go. Once this video is put together, I think in 12 minutes, 14 minutes, we actually did everything. So adjust suspension, got that tighter, took it all apart, put it back together, and everything seems lined up. Bob works quick because he gets paid hourly. So
Right.
like, yeah, so he
Right.
always.
Yep,
So
all
15
done.
minutes worth of work, it's good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. We'll have this out on the track soon.